Hello my viewers, welcome back to Kamsi Space. My name is Kamsi and you are in Kamsi Space. In Kamsi Space, we make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. If this is your first time in our channel, you are highly welcome and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Please do consider to subscribe, comment, like and share. And to my returning subscribers, Boza! Thank you so much. You know, fruit juice is one of the popular drinks that are made and locally consumed in Nigeria. We have varieties of edible fruits that are grown in Nigeria, and it is inappropriate to allow them to perish without making proper use of them. So today I'll be making fruit juice. Stick with me to the end of this video. Let's get started. So for this fruit juice, I'll be using pineapple, orange and coconuts. So first I will start by peeling the fruits. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So now I'm going to grind the coconuts. I'm going to grind this separately, extract the juice and then add it to the pineapple and orange. Okay, now I'm going to start by blend the sliced pineapples and orange. Now I'm also going to be adding ice blocks. The ice block. Maybe 2 is enough. And I'm going to allow this to blend. Allow this to blend. See, it has blended very well. So I'm just going to pour it, allow it to sieve. Allow it to sieve to remove the chaff. Now keep it aside and continue. blend. It's now time to sieve it again. Okay, this is the last one. And pour it and allow it to sieve. The smoothie is almost done. Yeah, the juice is filtered. Do you know why it's pasty like this? It's because I used a blender. But you can also use this. This is called juice extractor. This is what my mom normally uses when she's making juice for us. So set this aside. See the juice. Now I'm still going to sieve it again. Sieve it into this bowl. Wow. I'm just going to add this like a cocktail. Ta-da! Look at my juice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I hope you got the steps on how to make this healthy drink. Remember to leave the bell icon on. See you later. Bye.